Hi, welcome to wonderfulwoodworking.com. Omer Sherrist here, and what I'd like to do is just take a couple minutes here to demonstrate a couple drill press jigs that I've made here for some of the applications that I have to use here in my shop from time to time. I don't know if you've ever tried to drill holes through little small pieces such as this here, but it's very difficult to do just freehand. In fact, it's probably impossible to do. So this is where the little jig comes in. Very simple, just scrap material is all it is. Just a flat piece of 3/4 inch plywood, a couple short pieces of scrap here, nailed on here at 90 degrees, and it clamps right onto my press drill. And what the objective to this is, with a little piece of wood that you want to drill, you can slide it right into that corner and hold your thumb up against it, and you can successfully drill that right through a little piece like that without any problem. What I'll do is just clamp it down here and we'll demonstrate how that works. Okay, there we are. Now what I'm going to do is proceed to drill this. There you are with the hole drilled right through. If you were to try to do that freehand, you would have a lot of problems to get that through there without either going through the side of it or just not getting through at all. Now, the reason I use some of those applications is when I do these toy replicas, these are for making the tracks on the Caterpillar and Hi-Ho and stuff like that, because it's a working model. They have to be drilled. There's small dowels go into that, and they have to all flex in there. This is what the end product looks like when it's all said and done, with the holes drilled through there. And these just link together from one to the other to form the shape of a track. Thank you.